Hey guys, what could be better than a creamy, luscious dessert that tastes just like cheesecake, but that takes only 5 minutes to prep? Nothing, that's what! Today we're making cherries and port with fresh ricotta cheese. Here's how we're gonna do it. We're going to reduce port with fresh vanilla bean until it's syrupy and sweet. Add in frozen defrosted cherries. This is so easy. And then serve them over creamy, fresh ricotta cheese that we're gonna flavor with a little almond extract. It is 100 million gazillion times easier than cheesecake, but it is just as satisfying. And guess what? We don't even have to add any sugar. That's right. All right, I'm getting hungry. Stick around, let's head to the kitchen.
We're using fresh vanilla bean in this recipe. When you're buying vanilla, it should smell really good and it should be pliant. That's a sign it's fresh. Now we only need half of a bean, so I'm gonna slice it in half lengthwise and then use the back of my knife to scrape out the seeds. But save those pods because we're gonna use those as well. You're going to want to buy Ruby Port for this recipe. Ruby Port is a younger port. It's fruity and absolutely delicious with cherries. So pour 2 cups of that into a saucepan, scrape in those vanilla seeds and add the pods, and then bring it to a simmer. We're just gonna let this simmer away uncovered for about 20 minutes until it's slightly syrupy. Add 1 10-ounce bag of frozen defrosted cherries and cook just until warmed through. Now for the ricotta, you want to use the best quality ricotta cheese you can find. Nothing with gums or fillers, it should be naturally sweet and creamy. I'm adding a splash of almond extract. This is going to give the ricotta a delicious cheesecake-like flavor that works so well with the cherries. If you want, you can always add a touch of sugar to sweeten. Oh yum, this doesn't even need it. So I'm gonna transfer the ricotta into serving bowls, spoon the cherries and port over top, and then garnish with some toasted sliced almonds. You guys, that's so easy, but so delicious. I love the combination of the creamy ricotta with those sweet cherries. You can grab the recipe at the link below or at FromScratchFast.com. And remember, please subscribe. Thanks, guys.